In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add single or double line spacing in WordPress easily. This tutorial is designed to help you make your blog posts and website content more readable and visually appealing in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in, shall we? First things first, you'll need to go to wordpress.com. This is the main hub for managing your WordPress website, and it's where we'll be making our adjustments today. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login button toward the top right corner of the home page and give it a click. This will take you to the login interface where you have a few options for signing in. For this tutorial, we're going to streamline the process by continuing with Google. You'll see the Continue with Google button, and when you click on it, you'll be directed to a page where you can choose the Google account associated with your WordPress profile. Select the appropriate account and this will log you into WordPress in just a few seconds. Once you're logged in, the next step is to access your site. On the right panel under the Quick Links section, you'll notice an option labeled Edit Site. Click on that and this will bring up a list of the sites you manage. If you have multiple websites under your WordPress account, make sure to select the correct site you want to modify. Simply click on your website to proceed. Now here's the key part of the process. When you're editing text within your site, understanding how to control line spacing can really enhance the readability of your content. For single line spacing, all you need to do is hit the enter key and WordPress will automatically create a single line space in your post. However, if you need additional spacing such as double line spacing, there's a little trick you can use. Press the shift key and enter simultaneously. This combination will insert a double line space, giving your text a more open and less cluttered look. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to manipulate line spacing on your WordPress site. It's a straightforward tip, but it makes a world of difference for both aesthetic and readability purposes. Remember, good formatting isn't just about style, it can significantly impact how your readers engage with your content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick WordPress tips that will help elevate your site to the next level. If you have any questions or tips you'd like to share, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy blogging!